How's it going, YouTube? Smalligan Kid here. So I just rebuilt a Ms361 professional series saw. I think it's a 60cc. It's just below the 362, but it was in the shop for a few months. I had to get a new piston, new cylinder, new piston rings, the gaskets. Had to rebuild the carb, fuel filter, fuel lines, the gasket for the muffler. What else did I do? Oh, a new gasket for the O-ring on the gas cap. Fixed the oiler. And then I put it all back together, and I just started it out front, so this video will be after I worked on it. So I just tuned the carburetor a little bit, turned the idle just up a little bit, and then the low mixture screw up about a quarter turn, so the thing runs crisp. Runs very, very well. So we'll see you guys in the next video where I show the saw running and idling. I didn't put a bar on it because I just want to break it in first before I use it, but it runs really, really well.